Well, feeling the effect of inflation at the store? Well, the price of America's favorite alcoholic beverage is now going up as well. Consumer reporter John Mattery shows you why you're paying more for that six-pack. So you shop around and don't waste your money.
Trevor Self has a job lots of people would envy.
Here we've got our seasonal releases.
Marketing director for a craft brewery, Mad Tree Brewing.
It just won gold at the World Beer Cup.
But this year, that dream job has become a bad dream for some brewers struggling with supplier price hikes.
Ever since 2020, things have been fluctuating and getting higher. So we're always factoring in, what could possibly be.
It's been a rough couple of years for the craft brewing industry. Just like any of us, when we go to the supermarket, they've been dealing with the same inflationary pressures, plus shortages, just on a much bigger scale.
People out there are having a tough time getting their hands on cans or, with how much they're having to pay for them.
A report in the enthusiast site goodbeerhunting.com says the price of aluminum cans are up 20% in a year, malt up 30% or more, shipping costs up 50%, and labor up 20%. But it's the CO2, or carbon dioxide shortage, that's causing the most headaches right now.
It is an ingredient. So if you don't have CO2, you don't have beer.
Chuck Skypeck with the Brewers Association says some smaller craft breweries are now curtailing production until later this fall.
They may not see their favorite beer on the shelf if the brewery has encountered those problems.
The government's consumer price index shows beer prices up 5% this year, but Skypeck says that could go higher. Back at Mad Tree Brewing, Trevor Self says they're doing everything they can to keep these taps flowing.
We're always finding creative and strategic ways to save on costs without dampening our product.
And keep the price of that first sip affordable. And that way you don't waste your money. I'm John Mattery.